Hi guys, this is your hottest chef on internet with yet another recipe on Get Curried. Today I'm going to try an Indo-Persian recipe called Mughlai Chicken Handi. So let's start cooking. To start off with the Mughlai chicken recipe, we'll first start with the marination. In that I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces. I'll transfer it into a bowl. With that, I'm going to add some salt to it and crushed pepper and massage the chicken nicely and set it aside for 30 minutes. While the chicken is resting, we'll start with the Mughlai chicken gravy. Add oil. Once the oil starts heating up, first I'm going to add 2 grated onions and cook till it gets golden brown in color. Once the color of onion starts changing, we are going to add 1 big tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste goes away. At this stage, lower the heat so that the paste doesn't get burned. Once the rawness of ginger garlic paste is gone, it's time to add in the marinated chicken. Now, we'll saute the chicken for 2 minutes and pan fry the chicken till it turns to white in color. Once the color of the chicken turns to white, it's time to add the masala. First, I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Now we're going to cook the masala for at least 4 minutes so that the masala gets completely cooked. Once the rawness of masala is gone, it's time to add tomato puree. I have made a puree of 2 tomatoes. After adding tomato puree, saute the chicken for at least 3 to 4 minutes till the rawness of the masala is gone and the oil starts separating. Once the oil starts separating and the rawness of the masala is gone, it's time to add some richness to the gravy. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cashew nut paste. Give it a good stir. And to add smoothness and velvety finish to the gravy, now I'm going to add some yogurt. Mix it nicely with the chicken. Cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Once the oil starts separating, I'm going to add in sliced chili. With that, I'm going to add garam masala. Saute the chicken for a few more minutes. After cooking it for a few minutes, now I'm going to add some water to the chicken. Give a 1 big stir. And cover and cook it for at least 5 minutes. And a Mughlai chicken handi is now ready. With that, I'm going to add in some salt to taste. And finally, finish it up with some kasuri methi. Give it a 1 big stir. As you can see the finish of the gravy. And now we'll start off with the plating. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this scrumptious chicken curry. Do try making this at home and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe to Get Curried.